Last topic is evolution of gas, change in color and change in state. In addition to above effects, certain other effects may be also takes place as a result of chemical reactions, evolution of gas. What happens when you open a soda bottle? You can see air bubbles coming out of soda bottle. Similarly, gas evolution may take place as a result of chemical reactions. For example, when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a solution of a sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, carbon dioxide as is involved. So, evolution of gas. So, do you know that this is a soda bottle? How to open the soda bottle? When shaking of this soda bottle, see, you open the soda bottle, what happens? You observe this. See, this all of this liquid is burst out. All of this liquid comes out in this bottle. Because of this, gases is filled. Because of this, gases is filled. So, result of this gas evolution takes place in the chemical reactions. So, at the same way in this hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid is added to the solution of sodium carbonate. So, this carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Carbon dioxide gas is released. So, there is change in color. What happens when you play under the hot sun for a long time? Your skin becomes dark, right? Your skin is dark. Yes, it's right. So, like this, certain chemical changes produces changes in color. For example, when you place the iron ray in a solution of copper sulfate, the blue color of copper sulfate slowly changes into green due to chemical reactions between iron copper sulfate solution. So, likewise, the chemical reactions takes place in the solution of copper sulfate. So, it is dipped in this iron. So, the copper sulfate is a blue color. So, the blue color is slowly changes to this green color. Because of this, chemical reaction takes place. Because of the chemical reaction takes place between these two chemicals. So, the iron copper sulfate solution is green color. Next one is a change in state. Take a small ice cube and place it on a plate. What happens after some time? Ice melts into water. Is it? Yeah, solid ice cubes change into liquid water. Like this, in certain chemical reactions, changes the state is observed. For example, when you burn a piece of camphor, soda, smokes come out as a result of this chemical reaction between solid camphor and accents. Here, there is change of the state of solid to gas. So, do you know that the evaporation, gas to solid, solid to gas? So, all the things you have to study in this lesson of this matter. Sorry, understand? So, ice cube, you take an ice cube, you placed in this plate. So, after a few times, after sometimes you have to say observe with this ice cubes. So, you are not seeing this ice cubes. You are seeing this liquid water. Because of this, melting takes place. Because of this, melting takes place in the ice cubes. The same way for this camphor. So, next move to this exercise. Book exercise. Multiple choice questions. Burning of paper is a dash change. Burning of paper is a dash change. It is a chemical change. The burning of mastic is an example for chemical change. Chemical reactions based on contact. Dash metal undergoes rusting. Iron. The pigment is responsible for bruning of appeals. Melanine. Second one B. Green is concentrated solution of sodium chloride. B. Limestone contains dash mainly calcium carbonate. Which of the following factors introduce the electrolyzers? So, which of that? Light. Which of that following factors introduce the electrolyzers? Light. So next one. In the Haber's process of producing ammonia is used as a catalyst. Which one is a catalyst? Which one it is? Iron is a catalyst. Iron is a catalyst. Dissolved gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides in rainwater causes acid rain. Gas is responsible for global warming. All the above. So first one, answer B. Second one, answer A. Third one, answer D. Fourth one, answer B. Fifth one, answer B. Sixth one, answer B. Seventh one, answer B. Eighth one, answer C. Ninth one, answer A. 10th one, answer D. So next move to this, filling the blanks. Reactants. So first one, products. First one, products. Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that takes place in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight. So understand? So next one, iron objects undergo rusting when exposed to water and oxygen. Water and oxygen. Gas is a basic material to manufacture urea. Ammonia. Fourth one, ammonia. Electrolysis of brine solution gives chlorine and hydrogen gases. Chlorine and hydrogen gases. Chlorine and hydrogen gases. Gas is a chemical substance which alters the speed of the chemical reaction. Catalyzed. So next one, last one. Gas is a enzyme is responsible for pruning of vegetables and fruits. Triosynase. Or phenolase போடலாம், triosynase போடலாம். So understand? So next one, write the true or false for the following. A chemical reaction is a temporary reaction. No, it is a permanent reaction. So it is false. Change in color may take place during the chemical reaction. True. So next one, formation of slacked lime from the quicklime is endothermic reaction. False. It is a exothermic reaction. CFC is a pollutant. Yes, true. Pruning of some vegetables and fruits due to the tannin formation. No, it is a melanin formation. So first one, fill-ups. Products. Second one, sunlight. Third one, water and oxygen. Fourth one, ammonia. Fifth one, chlorine and hydrogen. Sixth one, catalyzed. Seventh one, triosynase. True or false? First one, false. Second one, true. Third one, false. Fourth one, true. Fifth one, false. So next in rusting, iron. Electrolysis, green. Thermolysis, decomposition of limestone. Food, photosynthesis. Catalyzed, ammonia. Understand? Rusting, iron, catalysis, green. So first one, rusting, iron. So catalysis, green. Thermolysis, decomposition of limestone. Food, photosynthesis. Catalysis, Haber process. So next one, rancidity. Rancidity, fish. Ozone, oxygen. Tarnishing, chemical reaction. Yeast, biocatalyzed. Calcium oxide, decomposition. Rancidity, fish. Ozone, oxygen. Tarnishing, chemical reaction. Yeast, biocatalyzed. Calcium oxide, decomposition. So understand?